Hey, it's Dominique Well from Well Medical Arts. I'm going to teach you guys how to take care of the dark circles underneath the eyes. What we call those are tear trough, and they are caused by volume loss or a shrinkage of the fat pad under the eye. Then the eye looks concave. No matter how much concealer you use, there is a loss of volume and it casts a shadow. So what we need to do is replace that lost volume. Now, as you can imagine, the delicate tissue of the tear trough can easily swell and bruise. So first thing we have people do is make sure not to use any anti-inflammatories, take anything like fish oil, vitamin E oil, anything that's an oil, and we also have them start taking Arnica montana before, just to set up for good healing. Then I've got a few techniques that really help it not to swell and bruise as much also, and not hurt. I'll go through, cleanse the skin, draw on it, and then put a little bit of lidocaine so it doesn't hurt. And then I don't even use a needle, I use something called a cannula. The cannula looks like a needle, it's long and skinny, it's got a dull tip. It's called a micro blunt tip cannula. You poke a tiny hole to get in, and I'll poke the hole all the way down here so I can do the tear trough all from one hole down here. So nothing's actually getting up near your eye. And then thread the cannula and put just little teeny tiny ribbons and smooth, little fine ribbons and smooth, and then easy. Pretty quick and easy. Looks great. Our before and afters are absolutely amazing, and this is one of the things that I've really finessed and perfected and people love.